Simplify fully. 4ab power 5 the whole power 4. So in this case what we can do is you have to bring this power 4 to each and every element inside the bracket. So it will become 4 power 4, then a power 4 and b power what you will do? It is b power 5 the whole power 4, which means you should multiply this. B power 5 into 4 is 20. So it is b power 20. Okay. So this is the question. What is 4 power 4? 4 power 4, if you do it in your calculator or mind, you will get 256. So 256, a power 4, b power 20 is the answer. The second question is 2p power 1 by 3 equal to 6. You want to find the value of p. Now you just make like this. P power 1 by 3, what is the value of that? It is 6 divided by 2. So it is 3, right? Now you want to get something, power something is 3. So you can take this power to other side. What is this 1 by 3 means? It's a cube root. If you are taking this to other side, it will become 3 cube. So that is equal to 27. Okay. Then third question is 81 square divided by 81 square divided by 3 power t equal to 9. Yes or no? Now we are having the base in three different things. One is 81, another one is 3 and 9. 9 is a common for both the things. So we'll try to express this in 9. So this is actually, I can write 81 as 9 power 2, the whole power 2, right? So divided by 3 power t. So 9 power 2 the whole power 2 is 9 power 4 divided by 3 power t. Now I should get answer as 9. Yes or no? So 9 power 4 I should remove 3 9s. So in the bottom I should have 9 power 3. Is how we can write 3 power t as 9 power 3. So you just try to change it here. So I can write this 9 as 3 power 2, right? The whole power 3. So 3 power 6, right? So it should be 3 power 6. If you are having 3 power 6, which means you are having 9 power 3. 9 power 3 and this will get cancelled. So you will get the answer as 9. So answer is 3 power 6. They are asking value of t. The value of t is 6.